Hi, let's have some tea together. If you enjoy this type of content, meaning tarot, ASMR, psychology, then I recommend that you subscribe to my channel. I post content like this twice every week on Wednesdays and Sundays. And if you'd like to support my work, I would like to ask you to have a look at my website and see if there are any reading types perhaps that pique your interest. If you book a reading with me, you will receive a reading and you will contribute to the existence of this channel. Thank you to everyone who has supported me over the years, and thank you to all of my future supporters. So, today we're going to have some tea, and I'm going to show you the Mytic Mondays Tarot. This is a new tarot deck that I have recently bought. It's a little bit damaged, so I was able to get it for a cheaper price. Honestly, I didn't notice at the time when I was purchasing it that the cards were damaged, but I don't mind it too much. I'm probably going to give it away as a gift at some point. But I really wanted to see what it looked like. So we're going to do a little bit of a flip through of the cards. I encourage you to have some tea with me. I'm drinking chamomile tea. It's really good for nervousness, anxiety. All of these natural teas, they are very, very beneficial for you. And they are good for different things. Chamomile is a very relaxing herb. And it's also good for pain relief or when you have a stomach ache. So I almost always have chamomile at home. And lemongrass is the other thing that I really love. It helps me sleep when I'm stressed. Okay, so let's have a look at these cards. I'm going to put my teacup over there, and let's have a look at the cards themselves. Okay, there's one left in the box. So the thing about this deck is that it's got this really modern look, and on the box it says a deck for the modern mystic. So it's got this kind of unusual, abstract, simplified or more geometric design that I thought was really interesting. So I'm just going to show you the cards now. And in the next reading, which is going to be about some bad advice that you guys have received, a couple weeks back, I had a post where you were sharing your experiences with bad advice and how it affected you. So I'm going to film a video on this topic in a bit, and I'm going to be using these cards. But let's for now have a look at the different designs. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Have a sip of my tea. And let's see. Six of Swords. The Empress. So as you can see, these are very sort of abstract and minimalist in their nature, or in their aesthetic, rather. And the color scheme is mostly these magentas and purples and orangey, greeny kind of look. It's a very, very cool color scheme. I like it a lot. So what do you think about these cards? Which ones do you like? I'm going to show you the ones that I really liked upon first glance. Five of Wands. I like this one a lot. The Knight of Swords. I really like the colors. They're so cool. The contrast between this really bright teal and greenish color and the purple. I really, really like it. So the minor arcana cards, as far as I was able to see the system here, up to the 6th number, there are no depictions of humans. So it's all just abstract images. And from 7 onwards, people appear. Well, this one contradicts my theory. The 10 of Cups, no people. And the court cards, they are very sort of humanized or anthropomorphic. 6 of Pentacles. This one is a cool one as well. 2 of Pentacles. Oh, I love this one. Look at this. The 8 of Pentacles. So many rainbowy colors. The 7 of Cups is also very, very cool. 3 of Swords, kind of a classic interpretation. Let's see who the creator of this deck is. I want to read their name. Grace Duong. Okay. Queen of Cups. Knight of Cups. This one's really interesting too. It's got this sort of knight feel to it, like, you know, with the moon and stuff. 5 of Pentacles. Strength. The King of Cups. Looking kind of like Poseidon, emerging from the sea. 2 of Swords. My friend and I were looking at this deck and we were wondering why the swords are bent. I couldn't really figure it out, but my theory was that maybe it's meant to represent that this is not a weapon with the Two of Swords. The swords are merely symbolic and they are tools of meditation. They're like ceremonial objects, so they are not weapons. Maybe that's what this hook-like form represents, but it also looks like the Coco Chanel brand logo. So it's interesting. Judgment. Four of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Here you can really see how the corner here is kind of damaged. It's a shame, but you know. Queen of Pentacles. The Moon. Do any of you own this deck? And if you do you like using it? What is your experience with it? The Tower. Wow. Okay. I quite like this one as well. It's really good at representing the cerebral nature of the devil. We often like to think of the devil card as if it was a very carnal experience, but this is something, the devil is something that happens in your consciousness. The Sun. The Hierophant. Emperor. Eight of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. High Priestess. The Hanged Woman. It's interesting that it's not a hanged man, but a hanged woman. And she's in this suspended position. I think this is some type of yoga that people like to do. Hanging from these ropes and stuff. Wheel of Fortune. It's kind of bland. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Does not seem very attractive. When, you know, the Wheel of Fortune, the Wheel of Chance is one of the most exciting cards to look at, really. When you see that the Wheel of Chance or the Wheel of Fortune shows up, then it's always something exciting. The Hermit. Chariot. The Lovers. Two of Wands. Ace of Wands. Nine of Swords. Seven of Swords. of Swords. The World. I'm sorry if this video is boring. I just wanted to show what the cards look like. I didn't really have anything planned, like anything to say really. But I know that most of you use my videos to wind down anyway, so maybe if I'm not saying super interesting things, that's not a problem. Let's just enjoy this moment together, looking at these beautiful, colorful, imaginative, creative images. What a great joy to look at someone's creative work. Imagine how much time she must have spent coming up with the designs, coming up with a cohesive look. I love this one too, the Three of Cups. Alrighty. Knight of Pentacles. Princess of Pentacles. She looks like she's just come from yoga. She's on her way there. Nine of Cups. The ecstasy of doing what you love. Oh, here's the Seven of Cups. I thought it was so well done. Ten of Pentacles. Wow, wow, wow. Seven of Pentacles. Palm tree. And the last one is the King of Pentacles. Very serious businessman. Okay. So I hope that you enjoyed this little video. It was pretty uneventful, I know, but maybe it helped you relax a little bit. Let me know in the comments if you like this deck. And see you next time. Bye-bye.